Hey everybody, Josh Green coming to you live from Eastern Title with our Realtor protection gear.
Hey, this is Josh Green. I took the day off and put my man Mario in charge.
Oh man, come on Josh. I was pretending to be you for the day. Just kidding. It's Mario Padilla with Remax. I'm out here, Josh called me, said, hey, come pick up your Realtor protection gear. I made a U-turn and I'm here picking up the RPGs, like Josh calls it. I'm gonna open up a goodie bag here. Let's take a look what we got. So, Eastern Title sanitizer. You can't find this anywhere. This is a rare commodity right now. So thank you, Eastern Title. So we have some shoe covers, so we can keep the homes clean whenever we're going into them. A pair of Eastern Title gloves. Money. So when we're opening up those lock boxes, we can make sure we're staying safe. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. That's money right here. I'm gonna open this up for you. An Eastern Title door opener. That's money. Thank you, Eastern Title. All right, and last but not least, looks like we got a mask. These are hard to come across. Now we don't gotta keep buying them, so appreciate that. And make sure we sport the RPGs with pride. Close anytime, anywhere. That's what they do, guys. So make sure whenever you're in the need for a title company, look no further. Eastern Title. Mario Padilla checking out. Talk to you soon.